Guys, wanted to do a quick video on the white screen of death because I actually haven't seen a video that discusses this. It's not a problem that happens very often. This is the first time I've encountered it. I do professional installations, and this is the first time I've found it out of all my installations. So I've done basically what's going on, as you'll see when this finishes booting up, is the screen does not display um, any of the data. It doesn't display any options. You basically just get a white screen after the initial boot up. It doesn't work on remote console. I know this gets you excited, right? It does that. You're like, it's gonna work, and then it does this. So it won't work on remote console. You can still have everything visible, all your devices, your shunt, your inverter, your solar charge controllers, everything will still show up on VRM, but nothing will work on the screen. Nothing works in remote console. I've tried updating. I've tried different firmwares. I've tried factory resetting everything. I've gone through all the procedures that Victron has mentioned to try and work out when you have a problem like this. But it just doesn't work. Now, I even thought at first that it was the screen, and I took the screen and I traded it out for one that I confirmed worked, and it's still happening. So the problem itself is inside the Cerbo GX. I don't know why it happens, but this one is basically just, it's not bricked. I've heard of Cerbo GXs getting bricked before. This is just like not displaying. Everything else on the Cerbo works. So I couldn't find very much information in the forums. Anything I did find, in the end, that's people were like, send it back. So that's kind of what I'm going to be, well, that's what I'm going to be doing with this one. But I just wanted to make that short video in case people come across it. So at least there's a YouTube video that people can find that discusses it. It happens sometimes. And I've heard before that it can be involved with the screen being a problem, but in this case, it's the Cerbo GX is just not displaying any information and won't on remote console either, which makes doing things like updates incredibly hard, right? So, yeah, white screen of death. You don't want it. Hope it doesn't happen to you. If you're watching this video, it probably happened to you, and I'm sorry. And it's probably your Cerbo GX, not your screen. Okay, bye guys.